My heart, the most powerful, that's my heart. The most beautiful, my heart of art. The most sensitive, that's my heart. The most positive, none can hurt. The most effective, that's my heart. Again the fugitive like passport. The most tender faith, that's my heart, tries to interpret through knitting craft. The most peculiar, that's my heart, but the best familiar a beautiful mark. The most vibrant, that's my heart, fond of fragrant from pure shard. The most relevant, that's my heart, breaks all resistance, forces to cut. The most dynamic, that's my heart, also so sympathetic on demand but the most responsible, that's my heart, likes to be negotiable in the life of yard. The most furnished, that's my heart, kindness were polished creating best yard. The most precious, that's my heart, tries to live gorgeous, favoring festive art. That's my heart.